Rahul Gandhi has challenged Prime Minister Narendra Modi yet again of removing the 50% reservation cap. While reiterating the demand for caste census during an election rally today, the Gandhi side also accused Modi of being anti-reservation and also alleged that the BJP leaders are trying to abolish reservation altogether by means of privatization. Now, the 50% reservation ceiling in India was set by the Supreme Court in 2000, in fact, in 1992, and Rahul now says that the caste census will revolutionize Indian politics by providing insights into the population distribution and also the wealth distribution among various communities.
नरेंद्र मोदी देश को बता दें कि वो 50% रिजर्वेशन का जो बैरियर लगा रखा है उसको हटा देंगे, क्योंकि वो कांग्रेस पार्टी करने जा रही है। नरेंद्र मोदी ने आज तक अपने किसी भाषण में ये नहीं बोला कि मैं रिजर्वेशन का जो 50% का बैरियर है उसे हटा दूंगा। उल्टा नरेंद्र मोदी और उनके विचारधारा वाले लोग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, आदिवासियों को वनवासी कहते हैं, प्राइवेटाइजेशन करते हैं, और ये जो अमीरों की सरकार चला रहे हैं, 22 लोगों की सरकार चला रहे हैं, इनको हटाना है और गरीबों की सरकार लानी है।
My colleague Somit joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Somit, this is now Rahul Gandhi repeatedly he has spoken about the 50% reservation cap. Once again, he's now challenged the Prime Minister and the BJP if they can dare to remove the 50% reservation cap. Help us understand the context of what you're saying and also the other statements that have come from the election rally.
Well, Rahul Gandhi, after making some, interesting statements and very controversial statements that BJP is trying to win 400 seats only to change constitution and also completely scrap the reservation system that, the reservation being, the beneficiaries like BCs, and STs. And now Rahul Gandhi has challenged, has threw a big challenge to Prime Minister Modi that, just remove 50% reservation cap, because there is cap on the 50% reservation, and there are only one or two states in the entire country where the reservation is exceeding by just 1 or 2%. That's it. And now today Rahul Gandhi, while addressing in Adilabad, Telangana, has challenged Prime Minister Modi to promise to remove 50% cap on the reservation. And he said that Congress will be doing the caste census, and it is really important that poor, Dalit and backward, they should know what is their representation and what is the population is, and the Congress will be doing the survey with the agencies, and they will find out how much wealth Adivasis, backwards and OBC have, and after this there will be a new politics, and is what Rahul Gandhi has said. And Modi ji is against reservation. He wants to take reservation from you, is what he again made the statement here. He repeated it, and the biggest issue is to increase reservation from 50%. We have written in our manifesto, and that we will increase the reservation, is what Rahul Gandhi stated.